Hello students, this is part 3 of chapter heat. In this chapter, we will discuss the transfer of heat. Transfer of heat. We often observe the transfer of heat from a hot body to a cold body. Let us recall our experience. When one end of a metal rod is put in a flame, its other end also soon becomes very hot. Second, when a glass of hot water is left on a table, it becomes lukewarm after some time. Another example, when a metal chair is left out in the sun on a hot summer day, it becomes too hot to sit on. In all these cases, transfer of heat takes place with a hot body to a cold body. Hot body losing heat, the cold body gaining it. Thus, there are three different methods of transfer of heat. One is conduction, second convection, and third radiation. These are the three methods, the methods of transfer of heat. Conduction. Conduction is the method of heat transfer in solid. It is the method of heat transfer in solid. In this method, heat is transferred from one particle to the next, and then to the next. And so on. Without the particles leaving their place. The particles just vibrate about their mean position and keep on passing heat energy to next and then to the next. So, conduction is the method of heat transfer in solid from molecule to molecule. We have studied that in the previous class that there are two types of material like conductor and insulators. Conductors are the material that allow heat and electricity to pass through them easily. Like all metals are good conductor of heat. And insulators are the material that do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them, are known as the insulators. Example: wood, plastic, rubber, cotton, dry cotton. These are the examples of insulators that do not allow heat to pass through them and also electricity to pass through them. There are many applications of method of transfer of heat by conduction method. Ice boxes are often made as double-walled container. Application of conduction. Transfer. Application of conduction method of heat transfer. Ice box are often made as double walled container. The layer of the air trapped between the two walls does not easily let the outside heat reach the ice kept inside the box. The ice therefore does not melt quickly. We use wooden or plastic handle for holding tea kettle or cooking utensils. Third, use of bricks and mud for making houses. Help us from the heat of the sun during summer. These materials are bad conductor of heat and hence do not let the outside heat to reach easily inside the house. 4. Blankets woolen cloth and quilts. help us to stay warm in winter. These are the applications of transfer of heat by conduction method. Thank you. Have a nice day.